PDURS Innovation Platform demo. This demonstration provides an in-depth, interactive showcase of how the PDURS Innovation Platform operates to deliver personalized, data-driven solutions for prescription drug management. By following step-by-step modules operation, this demo will illustrate the platform's comprehensive capabilities. Introduction to the PDURS Innovation Platform. The PDURS Innovation Platform is a state-of-the-art digital health solution designed to address critical challenges in prescription drug management. It integrates advanced AI, digital therapeutics, DTX, and remote patient monitoring, RPM, to deliver safe, effective, and personalized medication interventions. By incorporating patient data from wearable devices, electronic health records, EHRs, and real-time physiological metrics, the platform tailors medication management strategies to individual needs, driving superior health outcomes. In this demo, we will explore each module in detail, showcasing how PDURS guides users through its innovative framework to create compliant, impactful solutions. Setting up a PDURS Innovation Guide. We begin with the PDURS Innovation Development Module, the cornerstone of the platform. This module provides users with a no-code interface to configure intervention blueprints. For this demo, let's set up an intervention for a patient managing hypertension. Using the Design Hub, we input the patient's demographics, including age, weight, and comorbidities such as diabetes. We also upload their medication profile, EHR data, and real-time wearable readings, such as blood pressure and heart rate. The module consolidates this information to generate a comprehensive intervention blueprint, ensuring that each subsequent module aligns with the patient's specific therapeutic goals. Personalized therapy matching and determination. Next, the prescription matching and therapy determination module analyzes the intervention blueprint. This module utilizes AI-driven algorithms to identify potential drug interactions, contraindications, and side effects. For our hypertension patient, the module suggests modifying the current prescription to include a beta blocker and recommends digital therapeutic interventions to improve adherence. Using predictive analytics, it flags potential risks, such as elevated glucose levels from medication side effects, and provides actionable alerts to mitigate these risks. The module also generates a personalized adherence plan, complete with reminders tailored to the patient's lifestyle. Selecting the optimal delivery method. In the digital therapy delivery selection module, we configure the most effective delivery formats for the intervention. Based on the patient's preference for smartphone notifications and their high engagement with visual aids, the module recommends mobile reminders for medication adherence and VR-based relaxation exercises to manage stress, a known contributor to hypertension. These delivery methods ensure accessibility and maximize patient engagement. For patients without access to VR, the module provides alternatives, such as interactive infographics or text-based educational materials. Developing customized therapeutic content. The digital therapy content development module creates tailored educational content aligned with the intervention blueprint. For our hypertension patient, this module generates an interactive dashboard featuring lifestyle recommendations, such as reducing sodium intake and incorporating physical activity. It also provides step-by-step guides for managing side effects like dizziness or fatigue. Using real-time patient data, the module updates content dynamically. For instance, if the patient's wearable detects elevated blood pressure, the dashboard highlights relaxation techniques and suggests contacting their healthcare provider. Real-time therapy implementation and adjustment. With the intervention content developed, the digital therapy delivery implementation module initiates real-time deployment. The patient receives automated reminders for medication intake, motivational messages to encourage adherence, and updates on their progress. The module continuously tracks the patient's behavior and health metrics, adjusting the intervention as needed. For example, if the patient misses multiple doses, the system intensifies reminders and introduces gamified elements to boost engagement. Physiological feedback, such as a consistent decline in blood pressure, triggers adjustments to reduce reminder frequency, ensuring interventions remain relevant and non-intrusive. Generating data-driven insights. The Data Utilization and Data-Driven Insights module consolidates all patient data into actionable insights. This module identifies trends, such as the correlation between medication adherence and improved blood pressure levels. For our patient, it highlights a significant improvement in health metrics after implementing VR-based stress management exercises. These insights are presented in an intuitive dashboard, enabling clinicians to make evidence-based adjustments to the treatment plan. Historical comparisons also reveal long-term patterns, providing valuable context for future interventions. AI-driven adaptive learning and alerts. The AI integration module refines the intervention using reinforcement learning and predictive analytics. This module analyzes feedback loops to continuously optimize recommendations. For instance, if the patient's engagement with VR exercises declines, the AI suggests alternative formats, such as guided audio meditations. Predictive models identify risks, such as potential medication non-compliance, and generate real-time alerts for clinicians to intervene proactively. This adaptive intelligence ensures the intervention evolves alongside the patient's needs, maintaining its effectiveness over time. 2. Blueprint of PDURS solutions. One of the cornerstone features of PDURS solutions is their ability to provide optimized therapy recommendations. By leveraging AI-driven analytics, the solutions dynamically analyze patient data to identify potential drug interactions, contraindications, and side effects. This predictive capability empowers providers to make informed decisions, such as modifying prescriptions or introducing complementary digital therapies. In addition, the platform generates proactive alerts that mitigate risks by flagging potential issues before they escalate. These alerts are paired with actionable insights, enabling healthcare providers to adjust interventions promptly while maintaining alignment with regulatory guidelines. The adaptability of PDURS solutions is further enhanced through customized delivery methods tailored to patient preferences and accessibility. From mobile-based reminders to immersive VR experiences, the solutions ensure that therapeutic interventions are not only effective but also engaging and easily integrated into patients' daily routines. The flexibility to offer alternative formats, such as interactive dashboards or text-based educational materials, ensures inclusivity for patients with varying levels of technological access. This multimodal delivery approach maximizes patient engagement and adherence, which are critical for achieving long-term health outcomes. Central to the PDURS solutions is the dynamic development of educational and therapeutic content. Using real-time patient data, the platform generates interactive resources that evolve with the patient's needs. For instance, a patient experiencing elevated blood pressure might receive updated lifestyle recommendations and relaxation techniques, delivered directly through their preferred medium. This continuous content personalization ensures that patients remain informed and empowered to actively participate in their care, fostering a sense of ownership over their health outcomes. Real-time implementation and iterative adjustments are integral features of PDURS solutions. The platform continuously monitors patient behavior and health metrics, making on-the-fly modifications to ensure interventions remain relevant and effective. Automated reminders, motivational messages, and gamified elements encourage consistent adherence, while physiological feedback drives timely updates to intervention strategies. For example, a decline in medication adherence might prompt an increase in reminder frequency or introduce new engagement methods to recapture patient interest. The data-driven nature of PDURS solutions sets them apart, as they consolidate vast amounts of patient information into actionable insights. These insights are presented through intuitive dashboards, enabling clinicians to visualize trends such as the correlation between adherence and health improvements. By offering historical comparisons and predictive analytics, the platform supports evidence-based decision-making and the refinement of treatment plans. This analytical depth empowers healthcare providers to identify patterns, adjust strategies, and optimize therapeutic outcomes on an ongoing basis. The integration of advanced AI capabilities ensures that PDURS solutions remain adaptive and forward-looking. Through reinforcement learning, the platform continuously refines recommendations based on patient feedback and outcomes. Predictive models anticipate risks, such as medication non-compliance or adverse reactions, and generate real-time alerts for proactive intervention. This intelligent adaptability allows the solutions to evolve in tandem with the patient's journey, maintaining their effectiveness and relevance over time.